Welcome again to our new topic. IMG Soldivo Funds, gaano kalaki ang kikitain mo? This topic includes how to compute mutual fund investment, strategy to earn passive money, sample portfolio, and how long will you add money? What is IMG Soldivo Fund? IMG Soldivo Fund is a specialized mutual fund exclusive for IMG members that is sold by Rampver Financials, IMG's partner for mutual fund products. IMG Soldivo Fund has two types. Ang una, Strategic Growth Fund, in which new IMG members are automatic investors kasi kasama na sa membership ang benefit na ito. This fund is suitable for long-term goals. Its average return is 12% interest per year. It is invested in the Philippines blue-chip companies. Pangalawa, Bond Fund. This type of fund is invested in government securities, treasury bills, commercial papers, and other blue-chip companies. This fund is suitable for short-term goals. Its average return is 6%. And ang napakaganda nito is IMG members can top up or make additional fund for as low as 20 pesos only. And what separates this fund from others is that your family can also invest in these funds under any IMG member na parang IMG member na rin. They can add funds for as low as 20 pesos also. O diba, ang bongga? Ano nga ba ang kaibahan ng G-Invest and IMG Soldivo Fund? Last time, may nagtanong sa akin about sa comparison ng GCash, G-Invest at ng IMG Soldivo Fund. One thing na pagkakaiba ng G-Invest sa IMG Soldivo Fund is sa G-Invest, makaka-invest ka agad sa halagang 50 pesos after ma-verify na ang GCash wallet mo. Sa IMG Soldivo Fund naman, kailangan na member ka muna ng IMG tsaka ka makaka-invest dito. At kung member ka na, pwede ka na agad magdagdag ng fund for as low as 20 pesos. So dahil pinamura na ni IMG ang pag-i-invest, mas madali na lang mag-invest at matutulungan mo pa ang pamilya mo na makapag-invest na rin. Sample portfolio with 20 pesos top up. Narito ang sample portfolio ko with 20 pesos top up investment. So for 2 months and 15 days, from October 15 to December 30, na naghulog ako ng tigto 20 pesos. So for 2 months and 15 days, from October 15 to December 30, 2021, na naglagay ako ng tigto 20 pesos, ay na-accumulate ko o nakabili ako ng 1,008 shares sa halagang 760 pesos na ininvest ko sa IMG Soldivo Fund. Para sa kabuuang detalye, maaari niyong panoorin muli ang past videos ko. I'll pin it down sa comment section para mas madali niyong mahanap. How to compute profit in mutual fund investments. This topic discusses capital gain or paper loss. Capital gains versus paper loss. Capital gains is a gain in an investment, an increase in the value of an asset or property. Paper loss naman, a loss in an investment, a decrease in the value of an asset or property. So, in madaling salita, capital gains kapag tumaas ang value ng investments mo kumpara sa capital mo. Paper loss naman kung hindi o yung kabaliktaran nito. IMG Soldivo Portfolio Parts. This is the fund name, portfolio number, current NAVs, current investment value, reference, transaction date, the type of transaction, the amount or your capital, booking date, the NAVs at that date, current NAV, shares bought, and then accumulated number of shares. How to calculate the profit? So, meron dalawang paraan. Meron tayong formula number 1 and formula number 2. Formula number 1, profit equals current NAVs minus original NAVs times total number of shares that you own. And another way is profit equals current investment value minus beginning investment value. Remember, you can only get profit once you actually redeem your investment. Otherwise, it is just a paper income. Take note po that redeem is withdraw. This is an example portfolio for paper loss. Dahil yung capital niya is 5,000 and then yung current investment value niya is 4,797.37 pesos na lang. So, paper loss siya ng 202.68 pesos. And ito naman ang example portfolio ng capital gain. Okay? So, capital niya is 2,000 and then current investment value niya is 2,027.01 pesos. Then, nag-gain siya ng 27.01 pesos. Strategy to earn passive money. This is the money cost averaging method or peso cost averaging method. This states na kailangan may regular tayong interval sa pagdagdag ng fund. Yung sinasabi o naririnig mo na may disiplina sa pera at sarili. Prioritizing savings and investments para ma-beat natin ang inflation at mas kumita pa yung pera natin. Sa illustration na ito, makikita mo na kahit sa anumang sitwasyon, mapa A, B, or C, basta nag-money cost averaging palagi ay hindi pa din lugi. May kikitain pa din ang pera mo. Sample portfolios. Disclaimer lang po, please pause the video for reading. Ang mga portfolyong iyong matutunghayan ay pag-aari ng iba't ibang IMG members na may iba't ibang panahon kailan sila nagsimulang nag-invest at panahon na itinagal sa pag-i-invest. Ang mga portfolyong ito ay nakabase lamang sa panahong na i-share nila sa akin ang portfolyo nila para ma-share ko rin sa inyo at nang maintindihan nating lahat. Unahin na po natin ang bond fund. Portfolio number 1, capital gains of 1,670 or 20.88% in 1 year, 1 month, and 12 days. Portfolio number 2, paper loss of 44.09 pesos or 2.2% for more than a year. Isunod na natin ang Strategic Growth Fund. Portfolio number 1, paper loss of 249.38 pesos or 0.18% in 2 months and 15 days. Portfolio number 2, capital gains of 27.01 or 1.35% in 3 months and 3 days. Portfolio number 3, paper loss of 25.26 pesos or 1.26% in 1 month and 10 days. Portfolio number 4, capital gains of 13.86 pesos or 0.55% in 4 months and 19 days. Portfolio number 5, paper loss of 18.84 pesos or 6.28% in 6 months and 29 days. Portfolio number 6, capital gains of 99.85% or 2.7% in 11 months and 1 day. Portfolio number 7, capital gains of 1,127 or 30.99% in 1 year, 7 months, and 3 days. Portfolio number 8, capital gains of 109.99 pesos or 3.67% in 1 year, 2 months, and 3 days. Portfolio number 9, capital gains of 293.77 pesos or 11.75% in 1 year, 6 months, and 25 days. Portfolio number 10, Capital gains of 215.67 pesos or 7.19% in 1 year, 8 months, and 13 days. Portfolio number 11. Paper loss of 43.54 pesos or 7.14% in 6 months and 8 days. Portfolio number 12. Paper loss of 31.64 pesos or 6.33% in 3 months and 19 days. Portfolio number 13. Capital gains of 106.28 pesos or 2.7% in 1 year, 9 months, and 18 days. Portfolio 14. Capital gains of 19.36 pesos or 1.84% in 1 year, 1 month, and 11 days. Portfolio number 15. Capital gains of 538.14 pesos or 10.76% in 1 year, 11 months, and 6 days. How long will you invest? Sa pag-i-invest, kailangan na may goal ka at may timeline ka dito. Kaya ang section na ito ay isiningit ko dahil madalas hanggang sa simula lang ang karamihan at hindi na ito ipinagpatuloy. Kaya kailangan na matutunan mo ang power of compounding interest. Isinasaad dito o ipinapakita dito kailan at kung papaano dodoble ang pera natin. Sa paraan ng pagpili ng mas mataas na interest, money cost averaging method, sa tamang panahon ay makukuha natin ang inaasahan nating amount of money. Ipapakita ko sa inyo itong wealth calculator na pwede nyong gamiting batayan sa kung anuman ang goal na naiset mo sa investment mo upang mas mapabilis mo pa ang pag-abot nito. Sana'y maunawaan mo ito. Kung di mo pa maunawaan ito, pwede mong gamitin ang investment calculator na nakikita mo sa ngayon upang mas makita mo ng maigi ang computation and projection ng investment mo. Kaya, payo ko sa iyo, invest for the long term. Reminder, investing is not gambling and trading. Investing is a long game. Market is volatile, it goes up and down, but the market trend is always up in the long term. Gaya ng presyo ng mga bilihin, ang stock market ay tumataas at bumababa din. Ngunit sa pagdaan ng panahon, ang galaw nito ay palaging pataas pa din. Investing is like planting a seed from a tree. The reward is most satisfying during the harvest. Ang investing ay isang mabisang paraan na makakasiguro ka na may pera ka pa ring madudukot kahit na wala ka ng trabaho. Paalala lamang, maging maingat sa taong nag-aalok sa iyo ng investment at nangangako pa. The best way to avoid scammers and investment scams is through financial education. I-prioritize mo muna ang iyong kaalaman bago ka mag-invest. As always, the best investment is the investment in knowledge. Ingat po! Thank you!